So here's a quick step-by-step tutorial on whiteboard animation on Canva. If you want to get all the features of Canva, click on my link in the description to get Canva Pro. So first of all, open your browser and go to canva.com. Then make sure to log into your Canva account. So once you're here on the home page, click on Create a Design on the top right. After that, you will get to see multiple options. From here, click on Custom Size. After that, set the width to 1280 and height to 720. Then, click on Create New Design. Now, just wait for it to open up. After that, I will click on Text from the left panel. Now, I will click on Heading to add a new heading. Then click on the heading and type in whatever that you want. For this example, I will type in Whiteboard. Now, if you want to change the font, select it and click on the fonts on the top and then choose whichever font that you like. For now, I'm going with this one. And after you're done with all these, adjust the size and positioning of your text. Now, let's head over to Elements from the left panel. Click on Elements right here. After that, I will click on the search bar and search for bulb sketch. You can search whatever that you want. Now, just go through the options and select something that you like. There are a lot of options available. After choosing it, adjust its positioning as well. After you're done positioning it, click on Share on the top right corner and then go to Download. Now, download a PNG image of your design. And as you can see, it is now being downloaded onto my computer. Once you're done downloading it, click on Apps on the left panel right here. After that, click on the search bar and search for Speed Painter. You will get suggestions just like this, so click on the suggestion. Now, click on the first option that says Speed Painter. And as you can see, there is an option to upload an image. So click on Choose File. And then from your folders, choose the image that you just downloaded from Canva. And after you're done adding the image, all you need to do is click on Generate on the left panel. You can also adjust sketch and color fill duration. So once you click on Generate, it will take some time to process it. So once it's done processing, you need to wait a few more moments. Then you'll get an option, Add Video to Design. Click on it. Then adjust this video on the screen like this. Now just click on Play to see your newly created animation on Canva. So that is exactly how to create whiteboard animation on Canva. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.